So, good morning everyone. Please pick up some pieces of papers and please arrange your chairs and occupy the vacant seat here at the front. Girls, please forward. Okay. So, how are you today? Are you feeling okay? Basang gipanggutom na mo danha or gilaay mo? Sa mga gipanggutom, you can go to the canteen. So, ayaw mo pagpagutom in taon kay buntag pa sayo. Pamahaw jud mo, kaon mong doro, ha? Kay lisod na o masakit. Okay, so okay na ba ang tanan? Okay. So, this morning, I'm going to discuss the measures of central tendency. So, there are 3 measures of central tendency, which is the mean, the median, and the mode. So, since Miss Calari already tackled about the mean, then the 2 remaining will be discussing by me. Okay, so median. Let's start in the median. So, what is median? Is the middle score for a set of scores arranged from lowest to highest. The mean is less affected by extremely low and extremely high scores. So, how do we find the median? Suppose we have the following data: 65, 55, 89, 56, 35, 56, 55, 87, 45, and 92. So, how do we find the median? How to determine the median? So, like for example nakay 5 ka igsuon. No, alam ko 5 ka igsuon. Then, for example so, nay mangutana nga silingan. Hala day kanang ikapila ka sa kamo mag-igsuon, ikapila ka. Ikakuan ko, ikatulo. So, sa 5 mo kung igsuon, so ikatulo ka. So, mana siyang median. So, unsaon man pagkahibaw sa median. So, imong i-determine ang kanang year, like 19 nataw siya kinamakuangan nataw og 1999, then nisunod ang 2000, nisunod ang 2001, then nisunod ang 2003 and 2006. So ang 2001 mo na siya ang median. So, to determine the median, first we have to rearrange the scores into order of magnitude. So, like what I've said earlier nga gikan sa smallest to largest. So, we have here the examples: 14, 35, 45, 55, 56, 56, 65, 87, 89, and 92. So, our median is the score at the middle of the distribution. So, in this case, 56. So, 56, na-determine na siya. So, ang 56 is the median. No? And then, it is the middle side, middle score. There are 5 scores before and after the 56 scores. So, this works fine when you have an odd number. So, odd numbers, kay ba naman taon sa jud ng odd numbers, no? So, kanang odd numbers is bongkig. Then, but what happens when you have an even number of scores? So, even number. So, ang odd is bongkig. So, ang even, dili bongkig. Okay, so na siya pair, na siya by pair. Kay dili man siya single. Okay. So, okay, what if you had 10 scores like the scores below? 65, 55, 80, 89, 56, 35, 14, 56, 55, 87, and 45. So how do we determine, or how do we find the median even number? So mag-count ta, okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, asa may tungaan eh. So, ang tunga is 35 and 14. So, dapat usa lang siya. So, naan siya solution on how we determine the median even number. So, i-plus ra ni nato sila. 35 plus 14. So, 35 plus 14, pila man? 40, 49. Okay, so we have a 49. Ato ang median score is 49. Gi-add ra man nato ang katong duha ka buok nga pair. Taken naman ni sila, taken. So, okay, so nagets ba ang tanan? Nagets ba ang akong gi-discuss about the median, the measures of central tendency of median? Kay if kanang napamoy confusion, just tell me, ask me so that I can provide something makakuan ko ninyo. Kay later on ra ba magkuan ba ako, magpa-assessment ra ba ko? Basig o magpa-assessment ko, then wala mo ka-answer kay mauto galain ay ga cellphone na ay ga chika di speakers. So nagets ra ba ang tanan? Kay mo proceed ta sa laing topic. So Miss okay, Miss Cristel, what is median? Okay, yes, it is a middle score. So man na to pag find sa median, Miss Risa Jane. How do we find the median? Yes, okay. So, like sa example nga gihatag na ko ninyo, no. Okay. So, nakagets ra jud tanan. People at the back, nakagets ra ba? Lang ha o namoy mga clarification. Okay? Kay mo proceed na ta sa the third measures of central tendency. Okay. So, the third is the mode. So, mo proceed na ta sa to ang next topic. Okay. Ato ang next topic is the mode. So, mode is the most frequent score. So, frequent. So, ang frequent is nibalik. No, nibalik na. So, in our data set, on a histogram or bar chart, it represents the highest bar. So, it is a score of the number of times an option is chosen. In a multiple choice test, you can therefore sometimes consider the mode as being the most popular option. So, makita ninyo no, sa study the score distribution given below. So, we have here 14, 35, 45, 55, and 55, 56, 65, 87, and 8 pa ni siya. So, man pag-determine kung ano siya, mode. So, ang mode is frequent man. So, nagabalik. So, asa man dani ang nagabalik? So, ang 55 and 55. So, there are two most frequent scores, 55 and 56. So, we have a score distribution with two modes, hence a bimodal distribution. So from the word bimodal, it refers to distributions or data sets with two distinct peaks or modes, indicating two common values or ranges. So mani siya ang mode, kanang nagabalik bitaw nga kuan, nagabalik na nga scores. Like sa nakita ninyo karon, no, ang nagabalik nga scores is number 55. So mana siya ang mode, a frequent score. So easy ra no, magets ra kay sayon raman. Sayon na jud siya kaayo. Okay, so please study the first nga akong gi-discuss, which is the median, and of course consider ni apil na pod ang mode. Please study kay magpa-quiz ko. Taman ra sa kuan sa makaya. So okay, please answer the following question. So 1 to 5 rani siya, tag 2 points each. Okay. So please pass your papers, kaya ko ra ang mag-check ani. Okay, so that's end for today, and God bless us all.